Have you ever watched those VOX-style animations and wondered how creators make them look so clean, professional, and insanely engaging? The layered paper visuals, smooth camera movements, cinematic transitions, and documentary-style storytelling almost make you think they were created by a professional animation studio. But with the latest AI tools, you can now create this entire style much faster than you might think. And in this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step workflow. From generating the story and creating the visuals, to animating every scene, adding the voiceover, and finally putting everything together in the edit. So let's get into it. So head over to Higgsfield website, and you're going to find the link for it right down in the description box. With this thing, you can pump out any kind of AI video, AI game, or AI image you want. Super easy. So first, tap on MCP and CLI. Higgsfield MCP works with Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, and a bunch of other platforms too. But today, we're hooking this MCP tool straight into Claude AI, so you can generate your images and videos right from there. From that page, just tap the copy button of Higgsfield connector URL. Now head over to Claude AI, tap the Customize button, then go to Connectors. Tap Add, and then select Add Custom Connector. Now paste in that URL you just copied into the server URL field. After that, type Higgsfield in the name field and hit Add at the bottom. You'll see a Connect button pop up, tap it, and log in with your Higgsfield account. Next, it'll ask for permission to connect to Higgsfield. Go ahead and tap Allow, and just like that, Claude's connected to Higgsfield, ready to go. Here in Tool Permission, you can control what Claude's allowed to do with Higgsfield. Just set it to Always Allow, and it'll handle all the tools automatically. No more pop-ups every time. And that's it. Claude's gonna handle generating your images and videos automatically from here on out. To double check it's actually working, tap the plus button again, go into Connectors, and make sure Higgsfield shows up as turned on. Tap Customize, tap Skills, hit the Add button, then tap Upload Skill. Upload the skill file I linked below. And boom, your viral documentary automation skill is built right there for you. If skills are turned off on your device, go flip that on real quick. Then tap the 3 dots and hit Try a New Chat. Now, if this is your first time doing this, it might look a little confusing at first, but trust me, it's actually super simple once you get going. The second you hit send, Claude automatically drops 50 topic ideas for your VOX-style documentary. Pick whichever one catches your eye, type in the number or the topic, and hit send. Next, you gotta pick how long you want your video to be. You can go 1 minute, 5 minutes, or set a custom length. Whatever works for you. I'm going with 90 seconds this time, so I'll type that in and hit send. From there, Claude takes over, building out the entire story based on your topic and chosen length, automatically. Once you've gone through the whole story, it's going to ask about the next step, the image prompts. Just type yes, and it'll spit out a prompt for every single scene based on your story. Since we picked a certain length for this video, we ended up with 9 scenes, which means 9 image prompts total, 1 for each moment in the story. Once that's done, it'll ask if you want to turn those prompts into actual images. Type yes and hit send. Claude goes and finds the right tool for image generation, and since we already hooked up Higgsfield through MCP, it starts generating those images right inside the chat. No extra steps, no hassle. It takes a little bit to generate the images, so hang tight. Check out the very first one. Look how good that turned out. Just tap the download button to save the image. From here, simply save the image to your local device. And that's it. Every image is generated automatically, one after another, with 0 manual work. We created all 9 images with just a single click. Pretty amazing, right? Next, it's going to ask you about step 5, which is the video prompts. Simply type step 5 and hit send. Then you'll get 2 options. Generate a separate prompt for each image, or combine 2 or 3 images into a single scene. For this tutorial, we're choosing a separate prompt for every image. So just type A, hit send. Claude automatically generates a video prompt for every scene, one after another, so you don't have to write anything manually. Once they're all done, take a second to read through them. After that, it'll ask if you're ready to turn those prompts into actual videos. Type yes, and it'll start generating your videos using the Seedance 2.0 model through Higgsfield MCP. It automatically figures out which image belongs to which scene, then starts cranking out your scene videos one by one. Sometimes Claude AI might hit a limit, so you'll need to manually tell it to keep generating the rest. But within just a few minutes, all your videos are done. Let's check out the first one. To save video, simply press the download button. The file will be downloaded straight to your device. Now let's look at the second one. Mind-blowing, right? That resolution is seriously impressive. And that pretty much sums up the whole automation process in action. Now it's time to generate the voiceover. Claude will automatically create a complete narration script based on your scenes, so you don't have to write a single line yourself. Claude also suggests a voice directly from Higgsfield. You can choose from a wide range of high-quality voices, and based on your video, Claude will recommend the one that fits best. Before making your choice, you can preview each voice right there to find the perfect match.
Hey, yay, the name's John. Yeah, you hear that? A voice with character, a little nasal, a lot memorable. I'm not your standard announcer guy, and that's...
So I went with the suggested voice, and Higgsfield MCP starts turning each part of the story into a voiceover, one by one. A few moments later, boom, our voiceover's ready. Pretty cool stuff.
You've never bought a share in it, but it might own the company that made your phone, your coffee, your car, and your bank.
Now for the final step, the thumbnail. Just type yes, and Claude will generate 3 unique thumbnail concepts for your video. After that, I told Claude to generate a thumbnail image using Higgsfield MCP. Within seconds, it cranked out all 3 thumbnails for us. And honestly, they look amazing. Now, if you want to edit a thumbnail, just tap the edit button on whichever one you want to change. Type whatever changes you want in the prompt box, and make sure you mention the aspect ratio for the output too. Then hit send, and Claude will automatically edit that thumbnail using Higgsfield MCP. Within a moment, your new thumbnail is ready. Next, go back to the Higgsfield website and click on the image section. All the images you created earlier will already be there, making it easy to pick up right where you left off. Now tap on the video and boom, all the videos we generated are right here. Let's play the last video we generated. You can see all the videos generated in Claude right here. Now, to download a video, just tap this download button, and it's saved straight to your device. Let's go ahead and download all the videos one by one. Next, open the audio section. You'll find all the voiceovers you generated already waiting there. Simply download each one to your device, and they'll be ready to use when you start editing your video. Once you've downloaded all your videos and voiceovers, just load them into any video editing software. Adjust the clips and voiceover to match each scene, and boom, your final video is ready. Just like this.
You've never bought a share in it, but it might own the company that made your phone, your coffee, your car, and your bank. Meet the Big Three, a handful of asset managers that together hold trillions of dollars in stock across nearly every major corporation on Earth. They don't run these companies. They just own pieces of almost all of them, all at once. Here's how it works. Millions of people put their retirement savings into simple, low-cost index funds. Those funds need to buy stock in thousands of companies to track the market. Someone has to hold all those shares. That someone is a tiny handful of firms. The result? The same few investors end up as the largest shareholder in your favorite tech company, your favorite airline, and your favorite airline's biggest competitor. Here's the twist. Because they own so much of every industry, these firms don't need any single company to win. They just need the whole market to keep growing. Some economists call this a slow, quiet form of common ownership, where rivals share the same silent boss. This isn't a conspiracy. It's simple math, repeated for 50 years, but it raises a real question. When the same investors sit behind every competitor in a market, is real competition still possible?
Now, if you want to generate the video manually without using MCP, just head over to the image section. You've got a ton of image models to try out, like Nano Banana, Seedream, and GPT Image 2. Pick whichever one you like, then head over to Claude AI. From there, copy the first scene's image prompt and paste it into Higgsfield. Then select your aspect ratio and image quality, set how many outputs you want, and hit send. Within a few moments, your image is ready, just like this. Now for the video, go to the video section. Here you've got a bunch of models to generate video with, like Gemini, OmniFlash, and Seedance. Pick whichever one you like. After that, pick your reference image, then head back to Claude, grab the video prompt, copy it, and paste it in. Set your duration and aspect ratio, hit send, and within moments, your video's ready, just like this. Now, let's make a VOX-style documentary video using the Supercomputer. Tap on Supercomputer, and you'll see this kind of interface pop up. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Explainer Videos. Now tap the Recreate button right here, and a prompt will drop into the prompt box at the bottom. Now add some extra details, like the topic of your video. You can make a video of any length you want, but for this one, I'll go with 30 seconds. After that, mention your aspect ratio, then tap Ask and select Auto Run without approval. After that, hit send. The Supercomputer will automatically do research on the topic and build out a script based on what you gave it. It'll ask you to pick a voice for the voiceover. Then it starts generating the images and videos. Check out this first video. Now, once everything's done, download all the audio and video files the Supercomputer generated. The Supercomputer actually gives you the final video. No editing needed. Just take a look at the result.
One prompt from your phone can hop the planet in a blink, and it lands inside giant windowless buildings made of electricity. Last year, data centers burned through about 485 terawatt-hours of power, roughly the whole country of Germany plugged in at once. And because someone owns your data, countries are slamming up walls, locking data inside their borders, turning your cloud into the newest geopolitical fight.
And that's it! All the prompts and tool links I used in this video are available in the description below. And if you want to grab a great deal on Higgsfield AI, make sure to check out my link in the description. You can also use MCP to take this workflow even further and start building your own automated VOX-style documentary YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.